Hello.
How you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Doing good, thank you. Have your passports on you, yes?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll take care of the luggage.
Thank you so much. We're boarding the ship. Yay! My first cruise. I can't believe it's raining. No more rain. I know. It's gonna
It is Florida.
ruin my sail away party. I'm not into having my sail away party ruined. Florida weather. It's raining outside. It's awful.
Now we can eat.
Right? As soon as we walk up 20 flights of stairs. We're on the Allure. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. It is 11:32.
I'm just like overloaded with all of these sights and sounds and smells.
We're trying to find the shore excursion desk so we can get all of our excursions booked. This way, we got all the logistics out the way, and now we're trying to find the food. Is it on this side? Is it on the other side? Maybe it's on the other side. Oh yeah.
I'm sure we'll be.
It's in the back.
Alright, so not right?
Yeah.
Trying to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go.
We found the food, but I didn't find the ice cream. We're gonna have to figure out where the ice cream is. But there's the Windjammer. Hopefully it's open because I'm hungry. Give me the food. Give me the food.
Is that one of the places?
Give me the food. We found the arcade and it's very loud in here.
They have Ms. Pac-Man.
This is Ariel's favorite game. She loves air hockey. Tour of the spa.
So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart. I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to be together, stuck in the stormy weather.
Going past all the secret rooms.
Signs told us how we could reach the other side, and you start to doubt. I don't blame you 'cause I feel the same. So why do we hold on, even if it hurts so? It's breaking us apart.
So Rhonda just got on the carousel. Trying to find her.
I guess we'll never know how it feels to see the shoreline. We have to.
Why not? Get on the cruise ship and then get on a merry-go-round. It's raining! On the first date. You can't really tell that it's raining, but trust me, it is raining. You see? You can't see. It's raining. It's our first day. We're all wet. We are headed out to dinner. We are on our way out to go see the show Ocean Aria. Right, here it goes. You guys enjoyed it. Today was embarkation day. We got on the ship at 10:30, and of course I flew from last night until today, so I am exhausted. I am very, very sad that my daughter is not here. I miss her so much. We usually do this together, so it's kind of strange not having her here. Yeah, tomorrow is a sea day. We don't have too much planned. I think we're just gonna hang out, walk around the ship. That's pretty much it. It is time to go to bed, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye. I've eaten so much, I've basically given up. Yep, I'm just laying on the stairs here.